Hello everyone, this is Suresh from Azure ADB. So today we are going to discuss about explode outer function, and parallelly we'll see difference between what is the difference between explode and explode outer functions. Okay, for explode, no explode function, how to use it. So you can see my Pyspark playlist. So there I uploaded one video on how to use explode function, mainly on array and map types. Okay, so this video mainly for how to use explode outer function. See, first I'm importing explode underscore outer function from SQL.functions. So I'm running this cell to import. Just a minute, I'm just attaching cluster. Yeah, so now it is running. So now I have data frame. Now I'm going to create a data frame. So I have three rows. One is three columns, ID, name, and skills. Okay, this is ID, name, and skills. If you see skills now, this is array type. Okay, so inside list, we have elements. Okay, so here we have four elements. Here we have three, and here total we have four, but we have one none value. That means null value. So here three are there, here two are there, here one, and here this none. None means null. So this array, no, we don't have any values. And for Saurabh, no, it is empty list. So mainly we'll see difference. So how it generates explode underscore outer, no, when it has all the elements and when we have one null value in that array, and whenever we have empty list and we don't have values itself. Okay, so first I'll try to run this data frame. So you can see data types here. For ID column, this is long type. Name, it is string. And if you see skills, this is array. And inside element, this is string. So that's what we'll call as array of strings. Array of strings. And since I given print schema, it displaying schema here. So what are the data types and how many nulls are inside? And since I given df.count, no, number of rows, it displaying how many number of rows. So now we'll see difference between df.show and display. See, for df.show, it is showing in simpler format. Okay. In similar way, if you see display df, no, it's showing in tabular format. See, if you expand this one, no, see, this is array. So we have inserted this one, no, array. And yeah, inside array, we have strings, elements. Okay, so each element, no, it is defined as, see, first element defined as 0, 1, 2, 3. So similar way, you can see all our values. Okay, so this is our data frame. Now, what we are going to do now, we are trying to apply explode underscore outer function on this skills column. So that what will happen, it will split this array of elements into number of rows. Suppose this array has these four elements, so that it will generate four new rows. Okay, so if I try to execute this cell, see here I am used df.with column name I given new skills, that is this one, new skills. Since I used explode underscore outer function on this skills column, if you see here, we have four skills now here for this Suresh. So it generated four rows. See, Suresh, these four rows. Okay, it generated four rows. Okay, if you see each row, no, see this net. Finally, what you're doing, no, whatever this array, no, you're doing flattening. Okay, so .NET, one row, Python, one row, Spark, one row, Azure, one row. So similar way for Ramya. So she has 3 technology experience. So that it will generate 3 rows. If you see here, no, 3 rows. So one is for Java, one is for Pyspark, one is for AWS. Okay. So if you see in case of Rakesh, so he actually has 3 technology experience, but one is null is. So this null, we'll see how it will handle. If you see for Ramya, no, first one is Java, first row is Java, second one is sorry, Ramya is over. No? Now we are seeing Rakesh. So first one is ADF, first row is ADF, second one is SQL, third one is null. So it generated null for null also one row. If you see GCC, this is one more row. So total 4 it generated. Okay, so even nulls also it generated rows. And if you see Apurva, no, he has 3 technologies, so that it generated 3 rows. Okay, one is C, SAP, mainframes. C, SAP, mainframes. Similar way for Pranita, she has 2 technology experience, COBOL and DevOps, so that generated 2 rows, COBOL and DevOps. And for Soumya, it has only 1 technology experience, so that's why it generated only 1 row. But if you see here now, Anand, you see our original data. See, Anand, he don't have any technology experience, so null is there. For Saurabh also it is null, that is empty list. See, for empty list and empty null values, no, it generated rows. Okay, even though nulls and empty list, it generated rows. And if you try to see this data types, no, see initially we have array of string. Okay, array of string. It converted to string type. So this one does explode underscore outer function. Now, what is the difference between explode and explode outer function? See, the main difference is, see here for Anand, it is null. You don't have any array here. And for Saurabh, empty array. Okay. So even for empty list and null values, it generated rows. But in case of, if you use explode function, no, if you see, I will show you one example with explode, how it generates. Yeah, maybe you'll see same example. See, this is same example. Whatever we had discussion, yeah, explode underscore outer. So same data frame. See here, Anand, Saur. See in explode underscore outer, it generated 2 rows, no? But in case of explode function, so here I used with column and I given new skills. This is new skills. And I'm using explode for on top of skills column. Okay. So now see the difference by using explode. If you see this column, see it ending with Soumya only. So Soumya with one technology, ABAP. See it is stopping here only. It not considering Anand and Saurabh. So what is the difference? It is now you can able to recognize what is the difference. No, see if you see here, when your map is passed, okay, this is fine. And if you see here, no, if the array or map is null, that row is eliminated or ignored. So whenever you use explode function, no, if you have any null arrays or empty array, it will just ignore. It won't generate any rows. But in case of explode underscore outer, it generate nulls also. So it is always suggestible to use explode underscore outer function. So this is the main difference between explode and explode outer. So that's all for this video. So if you really like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.